be our team number 2, which consists of Isidora, myself, Maria, Michael, Lucas, and Marcus. And we will discuss our research pitch. So our research question is, why do college students smoke marijuana? And our research the topic that will be addressed is marijuana consumption among college students. And the qualitative data for this research will be collected using in-depth interviews. We will use this type of method due to the sensitivity of the topic, because we strongly believe that using this method will make our participants more comfortable rather than using a group setting. And also, if we use this method, participants will be more likely to share their honest opinions, experiences, and feelings.
So, our interview questions are, number 1 is, of course, do you smoke marijuana? If participant doesn't smoke marijuana, then there is no point of us interviewing them. Second one is, why did you start smoking marijuana? Third one is, how does marijuana makes you feel? Fourth one is, what is the main reason why you smoke marijuana? Fifth one is, do you smoke marijuana for pleasure or medical necessity? The sixth one is, do you believe that there is negative effects associated with smoking marijuana? Question number 7 is, do you believe that there are positive effects associated with smoking marijuana? Number 8, under what consequences do you smoke marijuana and what triggers you to smoke marijuana? And number 9 is, why did you continue or stop smoking marijuana? And we will conduct an interview in the study room or the library.
So our recruitment method for this research is basically, our research target are college students. The selectors, we're using a compulsive sampling, which is we're going to use it because we have established criteria consisting of college students. Approach method, being polite and telling them it is for research purposes, so we don't get to wrong ends with them. Who will be excluded? Anyone who is not a current college student is not part of the research.
Of risks and benefits. Some of the risks are confidentiality and social judgment. So if we're interviewing a friend, then we won't be judging them, or if their friends find out or whatever, like no one's going to be judging anyone, it's going to be confident. And legal repercussions are with Lynn's legal drug policy as well as the state of Florida, and a lack of job security. Some of the benefits are being able to express himself or herself without fear of judgment, so it'll all stay confident and no one will judge them for it. Addressing the risks. Confidentiality is the main risk because the participant does not want somebody beyond the research team to know their name or their work and personal reasons, so no one anywhere else is going to find out about this besides the people who are doing the research. And how will you mitigate those risks? The consent form will be oral, so that way there's no paper written down, and no names will be formally written down, and we'll just have that consent orally.
Okay, so for our final slide, we'll talk about consent documents and procedures. A normal informed consent form will be used. So before the interview starts, the participants will be given the consent form so they can have a look at it. And the following consent form will have the following information. It would show the purpose and what it is expected of them. So the main question that we are asking them is, why are they marijuana smokers? The second point that we're going to be talking on our, that's going to be mentioned in our consent form, is the voluntary aspect of it. So pretty much they are able to leave whenever they want. The other aspect that's going to be mentioned in the consent form are the risks and benefits. The following one would be confidentiality. So no contact info will be given. Also, our consent will contain information as to who to contact. Members of our group, information will be provided. So the interviewer will make sure the participants understand the terms and conditions of the research. And finally, the interview will consist of 9 questions with a duration of about 45 minutes.
Thank you, class, for watching our video, and we hope that you really got an idea of what we really want to do. And again, thank you very much for your attention.